Well, at the Network Operations Center side of things, we are very, very busy right now. So we have a lot of things we're doing with digital signage. First one is that shipment to the liquor store chain. Uh, Shane, it cleared customs, okay? But there's a catch. That tracking, UPS,
Yeah.
sitting on the top of it says an outstanding balance is due on this package. It says pay now, which I'm not griping about UPS. One of their competitors is horrible at not notifying us that there's extra taxes and duties and then just arriving at the client location and insisting that the client pay them, which is really frustrating for things like, say, the cities, right? Because a city employee doesn't have the authorization just to give money to a courier. You got it? So
Yeah.
at least UPS seems to have this policy. If it hits customs and they can't get a hold of us fast enough to get our um, duty broker, what'll happen is they will just clear it themselves. So take a look at this. Outstanding balance is due on this package. If you click on Pay Now on that link, it'll go in and show you the amount owing. So what we have to do is we have to pay for it before this arrival date. Got it, Shane? Okay, so I'm going to be tasking you with dealing with UPS and getting that bill paid before tomorrow morning to make sure this seems like it's super easy for the client. Okay, got it?
Yeah, but I already called them, right?
It doesn't matter. I know that they said don't worry about it, but I'm telling you that inside here, an outstanding balance is due on this package. There's a pay now button and it's due. It is due and it's a bill from UPS. Okay, so let's deal with that after this recording. Okay, but that you and I got to deal with that. Okay, so liquor store chain, it has cleared customs and there's an amount due with the courier in the portal. The church, Las Vegas. Shane, you were already out for the day, but these two gentlemen worked on some really cool designs for a church in Las Vegas, and we're going to showcase those as templates, right, guys? Okay, so client's pretty happy about it. Is he pretty gunned up?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. So you did two layouts?
Yep.
Okay. So we're going to get those as templates and we're going to show that off to more churches and we're going to do this as some outbound Facebook marketing. Okay. The concept is to provide out the remote control for SAM, training on the system on how to use it without having to even buy any hardware or software from us. So it's a freeware model, knowing that most clients appreciate our value add service. They'll come back to us for more things, just like you experienced yesterday with the church, right, Arby?
Mm-hmm.
They're super gunned up and they now see the more advanced features of SAM and they have no problem paying us for honest work. So I think that's what's going to happen with the churches. So, there is a church in Canada that's in the queue. So the work that you just did, I need you to reach back to our contact for that church. So we'll bring that up because I think that church is going to be really interested in seeing what you just did for the other church in Las Vegas yesterday. Okay.
Yep.
The LED trucks, we need to get a hold of our contact with the LED truck company because we need to get that drone footage like yesterday. Okay. The reason is we have a couple of the companies that are in our tech stack that we need to start saying thank you. And for a couple of those companies, they need to just know that we exist. They don't know that we're a big part of their ecosystem. So we need to start marketing ourselves and them. Okay. So drone footage, we need to, Shane, I'm going to have you hound our contact with the LED truck company to get him back in the Zoom with us today. Okay. Digital sign trade show. We're also going to start doing the planning for the LED interactive backpack. So we're going to put a plan together of what that's going to look like. Visualize that we're going to have a couple of our key contacts at the trade show walking around with backpacks that have LED panels on the back of them with QR codes. When you hit the QR code, we're showcasing the real-time remote control, the interactivity of SAM on the backpacks. How cool is that? Okay. So we're going to work on that every single day leading up to the trade show because we're now less than 30 days for the trade show.
Yep.
Rolly, you're on Facebook, Learn Sam, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what it is. It's all about the numbers of the people that we get into that pipeline to learn software now. It's all a huge, huge numbers game of getting enough people to see the software for what it is now that we're through research and development. The daily routine write-up is on me. I'm going to write more about what daily routine is going to look like moving forward, especially because you have an OJT coming in when? When is the OJT coming in?
Next week, I think.
Next week?
Yeah.
Okay. We also reach back to Lord and let him know that we need to fill up the pipeline here with more of the OJTs, okay, on the job trainees, as we go to the mass market into the press now, okay. Solar high school install. That's pretty cool, eh? So that high school up in Canada, the installation of the solar system is done. And so they've got us doing the reporting back into the, I think it's the lobby of the high school, showing off the solar system. So at some point we do need to reach back to those owners of our technology, right, for our clients, and let them know that the emergency notification system is just integrated out of the box. But that's a story for another day. And Shane, that Caribbean gas proposal follow-up, okay? If you can email them again, even if it turns into like a daily thing, hey, we're in Zoom, when would be a good time to speak? We want to nudge things ahead, okay?
Yep.
Okay, thanks, Shane. Thanks for that. And that's a wrap for the video for the day. Have a great day, everybody. Got lots to do. Cheers.